Gonna go up here, man. I think it's gonna be my third or fourth run. I done ran 2 people over so far. The second one was really my fault because like I was coming down, I know a good 30 miles per hour, and it's foggy so you can't see. And it was over with. FedEx.
Yeah, he was.
The one that built
Express.
free.
Cold here. Like when I come in October, I have on a t-shirt.
Oh, for real? Yeah, I can tell the cold here and the cold in Birmingham was 2 totally different colds.
And it ain't even as cold as it was when we came in December. Nothing is cold. That's why we kept saying, "Ooh, it's cold, it's cold." But when I got up there, I was like, "This is not. It didn't feel. This don't feel like it did before."
Oh, summer. It sounds good right now after what we just experienced, doesn't it? Grilling out, lawns being mowed, and pools opening. These are some of the things we expect with summer.
But I'm good. I'm not cold. You cold?
Huh?
Are you cold?
I just need something to cover my skin. My skin getting wet with my
Oh, you ain't want no long sleeve.
No. That's the only thing. Like my upper body is wet. That's it.
All right, but we back at Ober. It's raining this time though, and it's super crowded. There's a bunch of beginners. I guess they came in for the weekend, but they're crowding some of the hills.
Hey man, look, it's just way too many people out here. Okay, I done ran over a little kid, knocked the skis off him, bro. Like come on, man. I know this is my second day, but I know what I'm doing, and I ain't trying to run no kids over. Just don't make no shit.
I gotta bleep that out now. There's still some good runs though. It's just packed. People don't know what they're doing. They fall in the middle of the hill. In bad spots where you can't see them when you come around turns and stuff. So
Guys are great. Slowing down.
again.